New this morning, Walmart is turning to robots for a little help. And joining us live from the Fox Business Network studios, Tracy Carrasco. Hi, Trace. How are you?
Good morning. Good to see you.
Good to see you, too. So tell us about these robots in Walmart. What will they be doing?
Well, Walmart has been testing this out, and it looks like the tests have gone well because they've announced that they're going to be expanding this, adding robots to thousands of stores across the country. They're going to be doing a number of different things like scrubbing the floors, scanning store shelves for inventory, unloading some of the delivery trucks overnight. A lot of these tasks, which are manual, and Walmart says they have a hard time keeping some of these jobs, retaining some of them with workers. So with this, they want the workers instead to be out on the floor dealing with customers, doing other things, and they're replacing those jobs with robots in some cases. It doesn't sound like they will be laying off any workers, at least that's the hope, but you'll soon see these robots at stores across the country, and this could be the direction that Walmart is moving forward with the future.
Wow. I'm sure they're expensive, but I guess if you factor in that you don't have to pay them health insurance, right? No sick days, none of that stuff. So maybe they figure that in the long term, it's actually more efficient.
Absolutely. Walmart does think that this will help cut labor costs, which is definitely one of the reasons why they're doing this.
Wow. It's a bad sign for all of us, though, because I wonder how long before we're all replaced with robots. Just saying, Trace. It's going to happen eventually.
We are not robots.
Don't put that out in the universe.
I know. Sorry. I'll shut up now. Thanks, Tracy. Great to see you.